Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the address of an object, like how you can find out the address of a particular object in the C++. Okay, so let me write some class test class. And in this test class, I'm just going to have a private member function. I'm not going to use anything, but yes, I'm just creating it. And public, we have some function like void test me. Okay, so this is the function, and I'm not going to write anything inside the function. I'm just going to create an object of this class. So test class T. Okay, so you know that if I have not created any constructor inside this class, we have studied about the constructor. So if I have not created any constructor inside this class, then by default compiler will provide one constructor, one zero argument constructor for me. Okay, so now I'm just going to do like find out the address of the object. So T is an object, right? So I'm just going to find out the address of the object. So let me write like the address of the object is address of T. Okay, so this is something I can do and I can run it. So let's see what is the address of the object which comes here. So you can see this is 008 double F at 60. Okay, so I'm printing it from here and I'm going to print the address from within the class itself. Okay, so if you have created a class, then inside the class, if you have a function, then inside that function you can also access the address of the object. Okay, the address of the object is stored in a pointer which is known as the this pointer. Okay, the name is this is the pointer, the name itself is this pointer. So let me print the address endl, the address from inside the get address function. Okay, so here I'm just going to print the this pointer. Okay, so I'm just going to print this pointer and let us see what comes out to be. Both the addresses should be same, right? So cout, not cout, basically t dot get address. I'm just going to print it. Okay, so let me see if both the addresses are printed same or not. So here you go. You can see both the addresses are exactly the same because both are referring to the same object. So the object address is, placed inside the this pointer, and this pointer is available inside this class itself. Okay, so using the this pointer, we can find out the address of the uh, you know uh, object that has been created, and this pointer can be passed to any other function of any other class object if you are accessing any other object of the other class. So this is the way you can access the address of a object. So with this particular video comes to an end, and in the next video we will see about the functions, how to call them, and how the this pointer plays a role while calling a function. Thank you and have a nice day.